Hello there. In this video, I'd like to show you how you can modify some of the things needed for the jagged stripes, blanket, or shawl pattern where you do a temperature registration. So the spreadsheet included in the pattern is going on degrees Celsius, and it contains a certain range of colors. So if you want to change these colors or change the temperature ranges that they go within, for instance, you want to enter degrees Fahrenheit instead, you can easily do that if you're used to using Excel. So first of all, I have protected this workbook so you can only enter stuff in those fields where you need to enter anything without messing with the formulas in there. So in order to unprotect it, you need to go to the Format button here. You choose the Unprotect Sheet, and then you'll see you can edit anywhere. So if I mark one of these cells, the background color of these cells is defined by a conditional formatting rule depending on the value you enter. So in order to change that, you go to Conditional Formatting, then hit Manage Rules, and then you'll see all the rules that are used in this workbook. So the rule here, the formatting it gets, and then that it applies to all the cells for all the months. So for instance, we want to change one of the rules. Let's say we want the background color here to be a gray instead. We hit Edit Rule. You'll see this rule only goes for cells that contain a cell value between 0.1 and 4.9. So this is between 0 and 5 degrees Celsius. If you want to change this, you can change any of these values to be, let's say, 30 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. You are the one who decides what the amounts need to be, what the limits need to be. If you want to change that background color, you hit Format over here, and then you choose the color you want in the Fill tab. So let's say we want a gray here. We hit OK. And when we hit OK, note that number 2 over there. Hit OK again, of course, to save it. It becomes gray instead. So this is how you change those background colors. This is also how you change the numbers if you want to have different temperature ranges. And I very much hope this helps to make it a little bit easier for you. Thank you for watching.